There are three major trends impacting the auto industry right now, and these three hit the OEMs very squarely. The first one is towards fuel efficiency. The second one is towards safety, and active safety in particular. And the third one is towards connectivity and a connected car. But underneath that, and more directly impacting suppliers, is a trend that the OEMs are doing, which is a move towards these global modular platforms. And these are mega platforms. These are in the millions, but they're being used to make multiple variants in different regions. These are platforms that the suppliers need to be able to be prepared for, to be able to supply against. And while the OEMs have spent decades and tens of billions of dollars going for this, the suppliers aren't quite as well prepared. We think that by 2018, 50% of the platforms of the production will be on global platforms. And it's the majority of the growth between then and now and into the future. And OEMs look at this and they say, well, I can reduce cost, reduce upfront engineering costs by 10 to 20%. I can reduce the material and logistics costs by about $500 a vehicle. So that's big money to them, and they're not going to stop this trend. And so suppliers really do need to get prepared. Some are, but many are not. And we see symptoms in three basic areas. We first see them in sales and account management, where because this is now a global platform, it has to cut across the supplier's regional business units. And that doesn't always work seamlessly. And so the quotes that go to the OEMs don't always make sense when they try to cost model it and break it down. The second area you see it is in engineering, where while the OEMs have done a very good job of trying to make a standard component or module across the world, the suppliers have different ideas in different regions, and that becomes apparent to the OEMs. The third is in operations, particularly manufacturing, quality, and purchasing, where the suppliers need to take these same efficiencies and get the same global efficiencies that the OEMs are going for, or else they'll be in trouble compared to their competition. Particularly if you had a quality problem in one place or a launch problem in one plant, you better not have it in the next one or the next one or the next one, because there'll be 10 or 20 plants that might use this platform, and you can't make the same mistake twice. So we do see this as a big trend. We see it as real, and we see a lot of suppliers unprepared for this. They haven't made the big changes to the way that they're working.